Foot Locker, Casey speaking.
Hey there, I was in, I think, your Foot Locker location the other day. I was coming to shopping for shoes, and I was talking to one of your employees, where we got into kind of a bit of an argument, I guess, over like shoe, whatever style was better. And I guess our personalities kind of clashed in the way of, I said something a little rude about his mother, and he came back talking about my penis size, which I was kind of concerned about at first because I feel like I shouldn't be talked to that way. But after a little self-reflecting, I went back to my hotel room, I searched it up, and I realized that I am in fact working with something a little bit smaller, and I wanted to man up and apologize to him because I totally, I went off the handle, and I'd like him to know, he called it right, and I'm sorry for saying that about his mom, and what I am working with is true.
Okay, do you happen to know which employee it was?
I don't know, he was a little bit darker, which is probably why I kind of got like a little bit off the handle there, because I knew he was probably rocking with something a little bit more than me. I almost got to the point where I'm like, do you want to see my dick? Because it is bigger than what you're saying, but I did also then find out that it's below average size.
Okay, do you remember what night this was?
I think it was a Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, well, I'll figure out who was working Saturday, and...
Yeah, just apologize for me, and, yeah.
Yeah, sure, man.
I come clean on my mistakes, and I was wrong.
Okay, fair enough.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Bye.
Bye.
You know, boys, talking about what you guys just saw, I woke up this morning, I've been really trying to just talk about what I'm feeling lately and what I've done wrong and coming clean about it. And that's what I did today, and I want you guys to start to practice that because I feel this is good for development, but also it's good for being yourself. So if you wrong anyone and they prove you wrong, tell them about it. And give them a phone call, you know what I mean? Show up at their door. And also just know, whatever your problem may be, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's really not. It's not that bad, because I'm here for you. And we're in this together. The name brand fam's real strong. We marched the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats, I appreciate you beyond belief, boys. YouTube's trying to shut us down. It's kind of cool to say that YouTube's taking a target on my channel. It's also bad, but hey, hit the notification button if y'all want to watch. Y'all know no? Same shit's happening to me. It must be Canadians on YouTube. They don't like us. But yeah, just hit that ding-a-ling down below. And then you guys can like join the videos and keep watching. Anyway, boys, getting on to the video. This one's kind of a fail because what I just got in the mail, I actually didn't want, or I tried to return it, but I guess I didn't do that. Fucking idiots. This is a piece that Supreme dropped. Now, it's probably one of my favorite pieces that Supreme has ever dropped, and I'm happy to do a review on it because I've been looking on YouTube, but I haven't really seen any good ones. However, here's a quick tip. When y'all don't get something on drop day from Supreme, don't fucking buy the item the same day on eBay. Bro, you're about to get a little wiener in your butt. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just got fucked on this pricing. Here's how much I fucked up and how much I really want to send this back because I can't believe that I paid this much for it, but I spent $600 on this item and it's going for like $130 right now.
No! God, please, no! No!
Yes! Like, I fucked up. And the worst part is, I got a goddamn car in my driveway that's worth less than this goddamn package right here. Look, I got two cars. One car is pretty dope. The other car I'm just like trying to sell, and everyone's like, yo, I'll give you fucking $400 from it. So, yeah, this is literally worth more than my car. Brandon, title option. This package is worth more than my car. Brandon, editing room, just remember that. Anyway, so we got a package here, boys. Just gonna make it real quick because I actually wasn't gonna do a pickup on this because I didn't actually think it was gonna come in the mail because I tried to take it back, but it ended up here today. You know, I've been doing lots of self-reflecting today on penis size, girl issues, and now I have to reflect on my money spending. Even though, bro, you know we still balling out. Hey, man, but without further ado, we got the package right here. I already opened it because I wasn't sure what it was. I was like, there's no way that can be that. Open it up. Pussy is what I yelled. And it was that. So then we got it in the mail, and I didn't want it. But we got it right here, and I'm also like still kind of stoked for it, even though I spent way too much money on it. Hey, Brad, how the mother dick about to open up that package, though, puss? So one day you're allowed to call me that, because I really did F up, and the package is already open, dumbass! Anyway, boys, I'm gonna try to drag out this video to 10 minutes today, even though I really want to, because I'm in a very talkative mood. I don't know why, I just, I'm happy, I'm feeling good, and I'm feeling good about this channel right now. Alright boys, without further ado, you guys might already know what this is. I'm not even gonna put it in the thumbnail or title so you guys have a little bit of surprise. We got the Supreme bag right here. If it comes with a sticker, I'll give out a sticker to one of y'all and you don't have to pay for shipping. I'm just gonna give it out today. You guys are so weird with stickers. Oh! Alright. So this is the first time seeing it. I could just tell what it was when I looked into the box. And we do have 2 stickers. I'm gonna get both of them out. I got a bunch of stickers somewhere.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
In this room. And here we go. Without further ado, boys, I don't recommend spending as much money as I spent on this, but for the price they're going for right now, this thing is absolutely flippin' remarkable. Boys, yeah! As y'all can see, we got the Supreme. This is such a deep red, deeper red than I thought. It's like period on a mask. I'm not sure if I'm into that, but yeah, I'm into it. A touch of vagina, you know what I'm saying? It's like, oh, we can't do anything because I'm on my period. I don't care. Just let me see it. Anyway, boys, we got the Supreme Catcher's mask right here. Absolutely dead stock. I remember when I bought it, the guy had just ordered it off Supreme and he didn't even have it in hand yet. But this thing's really, really sick, man. You guys let me know if you guys got to pick this thing up at all. Going over the review, we have leather. It's red. Red. You got a BOGO right here. We got a BOGO right here. You can put your face in it, which is insane. It actually works as a mask. And of course, we got the Supreme down here. The quality's obviously unreal because it's by Rolling. You guys know the brand. They're just like a big sports brand that put out good quality items. And whenever I see it, I'm like, yeah, that's sick. That they're doing that good stuff. I don't know. Anyway, boys, spent way too much money on this pickup, but you guys let me know what you think about it. We got a space for it right here. Maybe. We got a space for it somewhere in here. But I'm very excited to have this. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Just a short one today. I ain't trying to waste no one's time, even though I want to keep talking, bro. Even though I'm digging y'all right now and I want to keep talking, but that's the mask. And shout out to Supreme for not sponsoring me yet, even though I have the sickest fucking Supreme room on YouTube. If you guys haven't seen the tour, it's a dope video. I put too much time into it, and it still turned out shitty, which is crazy. Bro, I feel like fucking Bane right now. Ooh, Batman! Ooh. Something like that. I think that was a pretty good impression. But y'all let me know what you think. If you guys want to see a sick Instagram picture with it, we could do that too. But it's a really cool piece, and I wanted to show you guys today, and I wanted to show you guys how I reflect in the morning, and that's what we did. And I think from every video here on out, we're gonna give someone a call, and we're gonna self-reflect on our mistakes, whether it be my mom, previous friends, previous bullies, previous people I have maybe called their mom assholes, or maybe other bad things. We're gonna reflect on how we treat people more often, and we're gonna come to terms with it and apologize to people more. So if you guys want that, I think it's gonna let a lot of things off our chest, seeing Name Brand apologize to people in the best way possible and not the stupidest. Appreciate y'all for watching. Name Brand fans, real show. I'm marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goods. Blow. Hey.